After age of 50, it's so easy to put weight on and we can't get rid of it. And if we don't do anything about it, that become really health issues. It lead to other complications, health complication, self-esteem. And when finally we think we do something about it, we think we should starve ourselves. Or just every day eating boring, just salad. But reality, it's not what you think. And that's the reason I want to show you in this video, you can prepare a meal which you don't have to eat less. Actually, you can eat as much as you feel like, which is whole food, which is mainly is a lot of legumes, beans, nuts, fruit and vegetable, and some good quality protein. Weight loss after 50, it's not just about how we look. It is about avoiding chronic diseases, reducing inflammation, protecting our independence, spending less money and time on medication, and enjoy life more. This is the ingredient I need for this food. Basically, it's cooked barley, lentil, have some vegetable, which is zucchini, mushroom, onion, garlic, tomato, parsley, tomato paste, and olive oil. That's it. Soaked barley, I'm just gonna cook them. When barley cook, I put them in colander to get rid of the water and just quickly wash them with cool water. First thing we do, chopping our vegetable. We're starting with the onion. I use just a brown onion here. And after washing our mushroom, I start to slicing our mushroom as well. After slicing all of the mushroom, I put them in frying pan and just start to basically frying them without any oil initially to get rid of excess water, as you can see here. As the mushroom losing water, I chopped all of the zucchini and started chopping our tomato as well. When mushroom dehydrated enough, I add olive oil and I start to fry an onion with them, as you can see here. The next steps, I add our garlic to the frying pan and start to frying them together with onion and a mushroom. Mushroom, they are very rich in antioxidant, selenium and B vitamin. Antioxidant is very important for health of our immune systems. Garlic and onion are rich in sulfur compound and also fiber, which act as a prebiotic, which helps our guts, has anti-inflammatory effect and reduce our blood pressure. When I start to smell the aroma of the fried garlic, I add 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste. You may be interested to know when you're frying tomato paste or tomato in olive oil, you increase absorption of one of the ingredient in tomato, which they call a lycopene. That lycopene, it's actually, a lot of study shows reduce the risk of the prostate cancer in men and in general reduce risk of the cardiovascular diseases. Tomato also is good source of the vitamin C and have a lot of potassium as well. As frying happening, I start to chopping our tomato and our chili. This is red chili from our garden. I removing the seeds to reduce the heat, but I make it still tasty and have a bit of a still heat, but not as much, and chop them very finely. At this point, I add our zucchini as well as our fresh tomato to frying pan. A zucchini contain a lot of potassium, which helps our blood pressure. Also contain a carotenoid, which helps our vision and eye health, and also have some fiber, which helps our gut health and immune systems as well. At this point, I add some boiled water to frying pan and mix all of those ingredients in order to accelerate the cooking and put the lid on. When zucchini and tomato look almost cooked, I add our cooked barley to the mix and start to mix them with other ingredients. Barley contains a soluble fiber, which they call it beta glucan, which is lower our LDL or bad cholesterol, improve our blood sugar control, and also that fiber provide feed for our bacteria, improve our gut health and immune system, also make us much feel satisfied and full after eating this meal. After draining the lentil in the can, I add it to the frying pan as well. Lentil has around 15 grams of the protein per cup. It's very high fiber, rich in iron, folate, potassium and magnesium, and have a lot of healthy antioxidants. Lentil can help you with avoiding getting type 2 diabetes, helps your cardiovascular system, reduce your cholesterol in your blood, and reduce the risk of the premature death. At this point, I mix all of the ingredient, reduce the heat, put the lid on, and start to chopping remaining ingredient, which are parsley, feta cheese, and another fresh tomato, and cut some lemon as well. Parsley have good source of the vitamin K, vitamin C, folate, and antioxidant. Feta cheese, which is high protein food, has calcium and phosphorus, which is good for our bone, and also contain vitamin B12. I add some lemon or lime juice to the ingredient and mix them together. Lemon or lime juice is very rich in vitamin C. Final step is adding your chopped ingredient, which is your tomato, feta cheese, and parsley, and you turn the heat off. Finally, I drizzle some freshly extracted extra virgin olive oil in this food. Olive oil is very good source of healthy fat, contain a lot of polyphenol which have anti-inflammatory actions. I highly recommend you prepare that food and enjoy it with your family and friend as well. This is very tasty food, easy to make, low budget, but as you can see, it's not boring, it's tasty, and you can have decent amount of food and feel full, and at the same time you help your overall health. I hope this video motivates you to make this type of food at home and enjoy it with your family and friend as well. And as you can see, eating healthy food, it's not complicated. It doesn't mean boring, doesn't mean starvation. It just means eat whole food, which is you can see in your plate what ingredient in it and what you're consuming, which in contrast with a lot of processed food which unfortunately become more and more available. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. That really helps me to keep continue to produce this kind of content. And in the end, I want to thank you for giving your time to me. And until next video, please be curious, eat healthy, and be active. Bye for now.